Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are making the Unibic cupcakes because I am using the Unibic cookies. You can use whatever cookies, Oreo cookies, hide and seek, bonbon, whatever you available in your kitchen. So let's get started, but first subscribe my channel, like my video and comment down below what next video you want. Okay, so we will need Unibic cookies. This look like these. Okay, so we will need around 10 cookies, some milk and one tray for the cupcakes, 2 dairy milk chocolates, Amul butter, vanilla essence and butterscotch essence. You can use both of them because I am using both of them, but if whatever available in our kitchen you can use that. Okay, so first we need to grind these cookies. You can use your mixie and grind them, or it will look like this. Okay, so now we have to melt our chocolate for the paste. So I am keeping it aside. So I will microwave it to get it melt. So for the melting process I will microwave it. Okay, I will microwave it for the 10 seconds. So I have microwaved it and this will get melted. So in the meanwhile we will preheat our oven for 10 minutes in the convection mode. Okay, so now we will add some milk. Essence around this much and add vanilla essence around this much and mix it again. Now we'll pour this mixture in our batter. We will add the milk and mix it well. Need this kind of consistency. Okay, now we will grease our pan with the butter. This will make sure the cupcake will not stick on it. I have greased it with the butter. Now we will pour our mixture. This Unibic biscuits have nuts, so it will taste you more better. So now we will microwave it on the convection mode around 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, I have forget to tell you the remaining Cadbury cubes I have added now. So cupcakes are ready. can see how spongy these are. Okay, so you will also make in your home, and subscribe my channel, like my video, and comment down below how you like it and you are making it in your home or not. So bye bye.